Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up Ring Video Doorbell Pro with Wi-Fi and app. Quick tutorial step by step clearly. Start by unboxing your Ring Video Doorbell Pro. Ensure you have all the components, including the doorbell, mounting bracket, screws, and wiring tools. To begin installation, choose a suitable location for your doorbell. This should be at eye level for optimal video capture. Next, turn off the power to your doorbell at the circuit breaker. Use a screwdriver to remove your existing doorbell. Take note of the two wires connected to it. Attach the provided mounting bracket to the wall using the screws. Connect the two wires to the terminals on the back of the Ring Video Doorbell Pro. Secure the doorbell onto the mounting bracket. Now, restore power at the circuit breaker. When the light on the front of the doorbell starts flashing, it's ready to be set up. Download the Ring app from your device's app store. Create an account or log in if you already have one. In the app, tap on the Set up a device option. Select Doorbell and then choose Ring Video Doorbell Pro. Follow the in-app instructions to connect your doorbell to your Wi-Fi network. Ensure you have your Wi-Fi password ready for this step. Once connected, customize your doorbell settings as prompted. Test the doorbell by pressing it to ensure everything is functioning correctly. You can now explore additional features through the Ring app. Congratulations, your Ring Video Doorbell Pro is successfully set up and ready for use. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.